Hey guys, I'm Steven from CNATNJ, and here's my new current loadout video. I run a Mitch 2000 with the ESS goggles and a GoPro Hero 3 Plus. There's a Surefire helmet light and an IR spray painted tan flag patch. Here's my name tape, and there's a backup battery to my GoPro. Here's my CN02 call sign patch, and may also add I run a tan balaclava and ESS crossbow glasses. Here's my Shellback Banshee plate carrier. I have a Pantac admin pouch. That's Desert Marpat from my previous loadout, and I also run black E-mags, with black mag pulls. Here's a Lanta Tactical Replica V-Light in blue. Here's my back panel setup. I run a Thunder Bee with a Kydex holster. Here's a GP pouch with a smoke grenade. Here's a Pantac map pack, and I run my call sign and my name tape. Here are my Condor hard knuckle gloves that I will soon be replacing with some mechanics. Here's my first line setup. It is a HSGI belt in OD. Here are some ready mags with my 2 E-mags. Here's a SOG Seal Pup knife. Here's a horizontal utility bag and my dump sack. Here's a Crye compact smoke ghillie suit in this little ball thing. And here's my Serpa holster that houses my KWA M9 PTP. Here are my G3 combat pants by Crye, and here are my baked rat USMC boots. Say that. Here's my KWA SR10. That is a tan PMag. Here's a grip pod, real steel. There's a Contour Roam 2. There's an M-Bus sight, and these are all tan ladder rail covers. Here's a Quicksilver by Mad Bull suppressor. That is mock. Here's my EOTech 552, and there's my Magpul CTR stock.
Forgot like 3 things to add.
What'd I forget?
Your 1-point sling.
We can do it.
Your balaclava, but your Shemagh.
Okay.
That's pretty much all you forgot, but it's not that big of a deal.
Okay.
Just a sling.
Works for me.
Now pause this so it's listening.